Hello. Today we will be learning about how to work with fractions. This is part 1 and I would recommend you to check the video part 2. Let's begin with considering two fractions. The first rule is the multiplication rule. If we want to multiply two fractions, a divided by b times c divided by d, we multiply the numbers in the numerator, a times c, divided by multiply the numbers in the denominator, b times d. Let's take an example. Consider two fractions, negative 5 over 7 times 3 over 2. Here negative 5 and 3, they are numerators, so let's multiply them. Negative 5 times 3 divided by 7 and 2, they are the denominators. Let's multiply them and put them in the denominator. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15 divided by 7 times 2 is 14. So that's our answer. The second rule is division rule. Suppose we want to divide this fraction by this one, that is a by b, we want to multiply by c by d. Well, we can write in this way: a divided by b whole divided by c divided by d. Okay. If you see this kind of fraction, then we can write in this way. Put the fraction on the numerator as it is, divided by c by d. Then finally it can be written as a by b times, take the reciprocal of c by d, which is d over c. Then we can simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, which is a times d divided by b times c. So that's the division rule. Now it's time for an example. Let's consider this example. We have 5 by 6 as the top fraction and negative 3 by 4 as our fraction in the denominator. So we can write this as 5 over 6 divided by negative 3 over 4. We can write the first fraction as it is and multiply by the reciprocal of second fraction, which is 3 by 4. Take its reciprocal, flip it. So that's 4 over 3. Then we can simply multiply 5 and negative 4. In the denominator, we can simply multiply 6 and 3, which is negative 20. Negative 20 divided by 6 times 3 is 18. That's our division rule.